again, guys. He's got another big one. Oh, guys, there's 3 of them right here. Right in front of me, 3 different ones. Oh my gosh, look, he can't even lift it in. Oh my gosh, just 2 in a row.
Might got a bigger bait.
Then we got another one going over here. Rich is throwing them how.
You got him up yet?
John Martin, the fishing coach on the Florida. Sir, what can we look forward to on this trip?
Well, we're going after grouper, snapper, and big AJs, baby. We got them last weekend. I think I heard the captain say we're going to the same general area, so I'm hoping we'll have a repeat of last week and get some monster AJs and maybe a few more gags and some big mangrove snapper, baby. We also got a cobia last week, so you never know. Come on out here and check it out with us.
What are you guys looking for today?
I'm here looking for a gag grouper in the 40-pound range.
Well, I tell you what, sir, this is the boat to do it on. More power to you. What are you looking for, sir?
Ooh, I'm looking for some nice snappers.
Well, I tell you what, let's hope we do it. We did it last week. We're going to do it again this week. With you guys' help, we'll have a monster catch. Good luck to you guys.
All right, thank you.
Will you make the first one, guys? Here we go. He got it, guys. He got that one. Way to go. Will, you got an audience today.
All right, Bob, here we go.
Comes a big test. What's your level of confidence, Will?
This one, 50-50.
He's got a pretty long shot, guys. Pretty long shot. He got it! Way to go!
Almost missed it.
Okay.
All right, Bob, we're headed out there. A little weather around. We had a really good trip last weekend, but from looking at what I saw in the weather, not much rain out there, maybe a little bit of seas. But we're hoping for really good fishing again out there this weekend. Like I said, we had an excellent amberjack trip, decent on the snappers last week, and we're hoping for a little better mangrove and to keep on those amberjacks we got last week. We got a boat full of people because we're taking the boat out of the water after this trip for about 6 weeks, up to 6 weeks, and so everybody wants to go fishing right now. So we got 40-something people on here. We're gonna go see if we can get them a bunch of fish. See you guys soon.
Looking good.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is a place for boats.
Now, the times when I like to fish with a single hook is when you're fishing with big line baits or you're fishing for jacks. Then I like to fish with a single hook rig off of it. You don't have to do anything else with it, but you have to cut the tail off with it. But for these mangrove snappers, I like to get it and cut the head, the tail, and the belly out of it.
Guys, we are in for a real treat. So you're going to enjoy that. What a way to start our trip. Burgers by Tammy.
Oh, looks good, doesn't it? These are so good. All right, thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you, girl. Thank you for giving us the very, very best there is. Oh, sir, what a way to start the morning, huh? Early Saturday morning, guys. Way to go.
Thank you.
Nice going, sir.
Thank you.
I tell you what, man, that's one way to start. Mr. John Martin, he doesn't tell us how. He shows us how.
Caught them bite to bite, sir.
I tell you, nice going, sir.
They're chewing on the Florida Fisherman too. Come out here and join us.
I tell you, nice going. Nice way to start, sir.
I had a third one pop off, so I was 2 for 3 on this stuff.
Wonderful. Be nice, snapper.
Here's a sea bass, Bob.
Bottom rig? Yeah.
Actually got the boat jack popped up.
Oh, yeah. Nice fish, sir. I bet he gave you a tassel, didn't he?
Push it out, Rick.
That's one to be proud of. Nice going. Nice morning, Judge.
Yeah, pretty good looking box of fish so far, Bob. We saw some jacks on this spot, not really catching them. Maybe they're the Almaco jacks. Look at that. Double snapper.
I tell you.
There you go. Oh, Flipper grabbed that bass. That's why he's going to fight for a second.
Look at that African pompano, would you?
Hey, you know what they call those in Africa?
Did he give you much of a battle, sir?
Yeah.
Did he give you much of a battle?
Oh, I thought it was an AJ. Yeah.
That is one nice fish.
What you catching, boss?
That's the second time in this spot.
Ah, mangroves 2 at a time. Nice catch. I bet he gave you a fight, didn't he?
Yeah, on that spinning rod.
I can imagine.
Right.
That's a big boy.
I appreciate it. I got a couple of Where's Will? Got a little great stuff.
Oh. Okay. Good show, guys.
Thank you.
What we got, guys?
Amberjack all over the place.
Shiny looking.
Oh no!
Woo, that's a beauty. Nice red snapper, sir.
Yeah, I know that. It's August too.
Hey, Keith. Oh, what's he spit up? Get in the water, Ricky. Look, a lionfish. Dude, he spit out a lionfish. Yeah, they eat them. What did you do? Snatch them out of your pocket? Yeah. That's what I got now.
Take the club.
I'm gonna take this instead of my getter now.
Beat him up.
Beat the guy until he takes it off. Well, those weren't actually your, no, they weren't. I lost your getters a while back, Danny. Those weren't actually your getters. You dropped your getters in a while back.
Look at this species.
Look at this. Look at Danny's. You got a grouper? Yeah.
Nice.
Big red fish. Big drop. That is a firefly.
Oh, look at that red grouper. Man, that's a beauty, sir.
Right.
This looks like a big boy. Will's ready. Get him, Ed. Get him. Nice going. Good show. That's a big boy. We're getting the big boys.
I'm not saying nothing.
So you ain't related to Richie or Will? Yeah. Years ago, I caught one off this boat 81 pounds.
Nice.
Big shape. Caught him on about 1.5 pounds quarter.
We got color on it. Here we go. We got an expert gaffer here. We're going to get him live. No pressure. Don't pull. I think he'll make it.
Huh?
I think he's going to make it.
Yep, he'll make it.
I want to try and gas for it.
I think he'll just be over, barely.
Yeah, I think he will.
Good job, sir, both of you. All right, great job. There we go.
Well,
Nice fish, sir.
Thank you.
I don't care. You let this guy eat.
He was nibbling?
He was slurping.
oh, there's a big one. But here lies.
Get him, John.
There he is. He's still out in the water. Here he comes. What is it? Big king. Nice.
Oh, nice. Nice going, guys. Nice grouper, sir. Get him, John. Get him. Go get him, John. I'll just put him right now. John, morning at work, guys.
Come on, John, bring that mango up.
I knew he wasn't that big a fish. I just couldn't pull.
See the coming after?
Okay, good show, guys.
I don't think he's going to make it.
Nice going, guys. Look at that porgy, would you? That's a porgy and a half. Take a handle.
Go ahead.
The size of that thing, would you?
Just not a man enough to handle it yet.
I tell you.
Here, you want me to help you?
Good grief. Look at that, would you? Talk about a monster. That's a monster.
I think he's got one.
Oh my gosh. Look, he can't hardly lift it off the end of the boat. Oh my God, Will's struggling. No wonder why he's struggling. Look at the size of that thing. Good going, guys.
Got him.
You got him. Ed, Will, you guys got him. What a team.
What a team. Nailed it.
Wilbur, they're growing big out here.
Yeah, they are big this year, Bob.
It's on the elbow. Growing big on the elbow. They're all over and it's still coming in. Major amberjack catch. Talk about ice. That's ice, man. Major.
We're wrapping it up here. We had a decent day on these amberjacks. A little bit tougher than we've had. We had a lot of current today and just some adverse conditions, but we were able to put a nice catch together, as you guys will see on the video. Overall, decent fishing, decent on the mangroves last night. Picked at the amberjacks today, nothing spectacular. But, you know, you win some, you lose some. We can't come home with a giant, massive amberjack catch every trip. But it is what it is. We got to pull the boat out of the water after this trip. I really don't want to do that, it's perfect time of year to be fishing out here, but it's one of those things we got to do every couple of years. So we'll do it for a little while, then we'll come back strong in October and do some gag fishing in October, November, and December. And I think we can still keep the jacks in October as well. I'm not positive on that. Don't quote me on that. But so maybe a short amberjack season and then get some gags once we get back here. All right, guys, we'll see y'all back at the dock.
Yeah, with this one, getting by the 10.
Definitely different.